Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a complete 100% free lead system. And it's more than a free lead system for generating leads. You've also got an opportunity to earn commissions from the leads. So first of all, there'll be a link in the description where you can join for free. You just get an email sent to you with the username and a password, and that gives you access to the members area, which I'll come to shortly. And the beauty of this system is that there's no autoresponder required. So it's perfect for beginners. If you want to start generating leads and you want to start promoting an offer, then you can promote any offer on autopilot, because what happens is the autoresponder that's built into the system promotes for you. And I'll just take you inside the members area shortly, and I'll just show you how simple and easy it is to set that up. It literally just takes 1 minute to get set up. There's an option to also earn an additional income stream of unlimited $6 commissions. Not compulsory to succeed with this system, but I will show you some proof that that also works as well. We've got a Facebook group with 46,000 members, and you're going to get full support and training with this system as well. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing what works for me, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of Free Lead System and also to promote it as an affiliate. So first of all, let's just take a look exactly what you're going to get. The lead capture page is the first thing you're going to get. So you don't have to create anything. You don't have to create lead capture pages, email follow-ups, anything like that. That's the beauty of the system. This is the lead capture page that they give you. You'll just promote one link, and we're going to give you some traffic training as well. And then when your prospects put their email in there, then they can get their free lead system. And then this is where the magic really happens, because what happens is you get started here in 3 simple steps. But as we scroll down here, what you'll see is there's a little window that says enter your company website. So you can promote an offer, any offer. Just put your URL there to a lead capture page. You just click update, and then what happens is the automated email follow-ups that go out to your leads promote your offer within that email. So it's a very unique and clever system the way it does that. I do recommend you put a lead capture page in there, so then you can take the leads from this system onto your own email list. And I also recommend just promoting a low ticket offer. The offer that I promote is under $5, but it is a monthly recurring commission with it's got a done for you funnel with multiple income streams. But it's a low ticket offer at $4.90. And all you do is click update, and then you get your link here to promote, and then and that's it. It's really that simple. There's nothing else to do. You just follow the instructions here, watch this video here, lasts a few minutes, enter your website and advertise your link. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Let me show you some proof of the leads. So I'm going to go into the members area here. So I've got the upgraded version called Lead Lightning. So if you stay with the free version, then your leads will go into your free lead system. But if you upgrade for Lead Lightning, which is a one-time $7 payment, then with no monthly membership costs, then you can earn unlimited $6 commissions with Lead Lightning. So if you look in the top right corner here, it says showing 1 to 15 of 200 leads. So the system generates the leads, and these are all real people. You'll see that all these came in. These are all from November. They're all current. We've got some here in December. So we're just generating some nice consistent leads. And if you want to upgrade, then I'll show you the commissions. So there's $162 here in six. These are $6 commissions. You pay a one-time $7, and these are $6 commissions, each and every one of these. So again, we're just blurring out the members' information for privacy. But you'll see here that 3, 6. You see in November alone, once you get the foundations in place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 came in November alone there. So it's an opportunity, because there are no monthly membership costs. It's an opportunity there to be able to get into profit and stay in profit and start to earn some consistent commissions with free lead system and lead lightning. And there is traffic training within the system, but I'll give you my best free traffic sources. These are 5 of my best free traffic sources that I use every day for you to promote your affiliate link. And I'll pin, this is my blog post that I wrote. I'll pin this blog post to the first comment below the video that you're watching now, if you want to have a look at those. Also on the blog, there's some more free traffic here. If you want some more free traffic, there's maybe some other information how to make money online that might interest you. Free tools, passive income, buyers traffic, lead generation, etc., that might be of interest to you as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. And I'm currently doing several new videos every week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about free lead system or lead lightning, then please put those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So to access your own free lead system, all you do is click the link in the description that will take you to this page here, put your email in there. And then all you do from there is you'll receive an email with a username and a password. And then you can log into your own free lead system here. And you'll see at the top, there's lots more information. There's training, quick start, leads, more information in there that'll help you start generating your own free leads and also promote any offer that you're currently promoting as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.